Stop using that cheap back machine. After working with 3 spinal specialists, we discovered most extension machines actually damage your discs long-term. But after 200+ hours of testing, these 5 models relieved back pain, built strength safely, and one even helped our tester grow 1.5 inch taller. Full medical report links in description. Let's save your spine. Number 1. Inspire Fitness Hyperextension Bench. Inspire Fitness Hyperextension Bench is our top pick because it's highly adjustable. You can shift it into 5 different angles ranging from 45 to 90 degrees. Since its hip and leg pads are also movable, you can easily customize this bench to work best for your needs. We love that it comes with a complimentary 3-month subscription to the Center app, which has workouts, fitness programs, nutrition advice, and guided meditations, all provided by expert fitness professionals. This bench is packed with expert-approved features, like a heavy-duty steel frame and plush foam padding to protect your body. Plus, it has handles that make it easy to use and rear transport wheels for simple storage. This bench's steel frame and heavy weight make it super solid and sturdy, so you can be sure it won't move while you're doing. Number 2. Titan Fitness Back Extension Bench. If you're looking for a user-friendly machine that's good for beginner exercisers, we recommend Titan Fitness Back Extension Bench. Our experts recommend starting with a 45-degree bench, like this one, and working your way up to a 90-degree bench over time. Designed with a Y-shaped base, this bench's steel frame remains stable and sturdy while you work out. And we like the fact that it folds up for easy storage. The bench is lined with thick vinyl leather padding and has an adjustable height, making it suitable for many exercisers. Users have also found that it's simple to assemble, so you can get started right away. This bench is one of the more budget-friendly options on our list, and with its simple design and durable construction, we think it delivers exceptional quality. Number 3. Valor Fitness Adjustable Back Extension. Valor Fitness CB13 Back Extension Machine is one of the most customizable benches on our list, thanks to its adjustable height and padding. Made of 2-inch, 12-gauge steel, this bench's frame is durable and sturdy. And its tripod base stays stable while you're using it, even during more rigorous workouts. Designed with dual-layered padding and vinyl upholstery, this bench can withstand plenty of wear and tear. We love that its base includes steel hooks to attach resistance bands to up the intensity of your core workouts. Plus, the textured footplate keeps your feet from slipping. We appreciate how customizable it is, with 5 different positions for the support pads and 3 for its calf pads. Plus, the handles have non-slip grips, so you can exercise confidently. Number 4. Body Solid Roman Chair. Many 90-degree, or flat, benches can provide more challenging back extension exercises, and we think Body Solid's Roman Chair is a high-quality option, thanks to its extra-wide base and super sturdy build. Made of commercial-grade, heavy-gauge steel, this back extension bench has a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Plus, user-friendly features like handles and a step-up bar make the machine easy to get onto and off. This bench is lined with comfortable, 3.75-inch foam padding, the thickest on our list. It's also equipped with foam rollers that you can adjust horizontally and vertically. While this bench isn't lightweight enough to lift easily, it's designed with rear transport wheels, which make it easier to move around and store when not in use. Number 5. CAP Barbell Hyperextension / a Bench. CAP Barbell's Hyperextension Bench is one of the most affordable 45-degree benches on our list, and its versatility makes it a great value. The machine comes with a built-in bench that you can adjust as a flat bench or a decline bench so you can include upper body exercises in your fitness routine. Made of alloy steel and lined with foam padding, it's solid, comfortable, and easy to pick up and move around. We love that it includes grippy handles and non-slip foot pads for a more secure workout. And its weight capacity is impressive. While other budget-friendly benches max out around 250 pounds, this one can hold up to 300 pounds. We also appreciate that its instructions are illustrated to make it easy to assemble. We think this bench is a great budget-friendly and space-efficient option for your home gym. If you suffer from back pain or want that V-taper physique, do not buy blindly. Our number 1 pick has a 24-hour flash sale, link below. Smash thumbs up if we helped, comment your number 1 struggle, sciatica, posture, and subscribe because next week we're exposing dangerous back pain products even doctors don't know about. Stay safe.